Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rose. So for today's video, I am going to be doing this winged liner look here. Super bold eyes, very like clean face. So that's what we're going to be doing today. If you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then please stay tuned and keep on watching. But before we get to this tutorial, please make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, be sure to follow me on all of my other social media platforms. That way you guys can stay updated with me on other types of looks and kind of get to know me a little bit more on a day-to-day basis. Now, without further ado, this intro is already done. Let's get to this tutorial. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using the Morphe X James Charles palette today. This is the mini one. I did have the original big one, but then I got rid of it because I wasn't using it, and then I saw it again and I was just like, let me give the palette another try. So I got the mini one instead of the big one. So yeah, we're going to be using this palette today. So I am going to go in with the shade Smokey, which is the black one here, this one, and I'm just going to take this brush first. I'm going to take this Anastasia A1 brush, usually used for brows, but I'm going to take this and I am going to stamp out the base of the wing. And next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shade here. What's this shade? I'm going to take the shade Escape, which is this purple shade here, and I'm going to take my Morphe Y22 brush and I'm going to pat that over that black first, and then we can work on blending after. Now with another, damn, did I use one? With another pencil brush, I'm gonna go right back in with that black, and we're just gonna start adding it very lightly in to where the purple is, and I'm gonna start bringing it inward. Okay, so that's what we have right now. Again, go with another pencil brush, and I'm going to take the shade Playground, which is this shade here. I'm going to start blending that in with the purple shade. Okay, and then again, another pencil brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Pinkity Drinkity, which is this shade here. I'm gonna put that in the inner part of the liner. Okay, so add Skip instead, just to kind of make that pink pop out a little bit more. And at this point, I'm just going to go back and forth with the shades to get the blend that I want. I just want to keep the outer edge sharp and clean, and just keep everything else blended. Just to set the rest of the lid, I'm going to take the shade Canvas, which is this shade here. And I'm just going to set the rest of the eye just so that my base doesn't move. And so that it looks a lot more smoother. And this is also going to help blend out those colors as well. Okay, so this is pretty much the final look here. If you did, please make sure you guys give a huge thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.